Hey folks, this is Mr. Good. Cybersecurity. I'm going to just show you some helpful things about the PLTW page and how it works. So after you log into mypltw.org, um, if you go to courses, you'll probably have less than me because I teach a bunch of different classes. But for cybersecurity, um, you'll just want to pick the cybersecurity one. So once you're in, you probably won't see a lot unless you're in more than one. Takes you to this course landing page, which I really don't like. I like to hit this hamburger and then leave this up. So one thing you should go through is, you know, read through this stuff. It's pretty good. Just with working in teams and how to resolve conflicts without fighting, stuff like that. Course features. So this is kind of just intro stuff. Then we'll get to what the class really runs like. Um, Down here, if you open up, you'll see first there's 4 units. Unit 1, when it's all about personal security, then system, then network, and then all the little applied tasks. Um, so if you open up this first one, you'll see this is kind of how the unit's set up. You'll see in Unit 1, there's really 3 sections: an introduction, security in the internet, and protecting your data. Um, and what you'll see first is they always start with the very end project. This Unit 1 cyber case, you won't actually do this until the very end of Unit 1. But it's kind of cool to see it ahead of time because everything you do in this lesson is giving you skills that you're going to use to solve this pretty interesting problem. They're usually pretty cool problems. Um, so then I always like to just use this. Here's activity 111, and you'll see it has our goals, what software you need, and there's videos, and you'll see it's step by step lessons. 1, 2, as what to write in your notebook. So you kind of just follow these step by step. I'll make some little videos to help you through. You can jump by pieces here, like classroom code of conduct. You can jump right down to it, or you can just scroll. And it always ends with conclusion questions. What you'll see is it goes activity, 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 and then you'll see at the end of 1.1, it goes 111, 112, 113. The last section in each chunk, see how it goes to 1, 2 next, is a project. And the projects are kind of a little more open ended. You're not following, step by step. It gives you a problem, and you basically have to just work on the open ended problem. And then it kind of follows the same thing in 1, 2. You'll see 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. And then look at the last one. It's a project. Okay. And then the very last one in here is always just the big problem. So you'll see this is the big problem at the end. So anyway, that's kind of the general setup. Key feature I want to show you is to use the search bar. So if you're looking for, if you wanted to look for the stuff we did on firewalls, click that in and you'll see, oh, we did that in 121, or, all the other times it shows up. So this search feature is pretty cool. You can highlight and take notes in here. One other thing you're going to see pretty early on is we use a virtual machine in here, and you're going to start using it in 112. You see this right here? Basically, it's a computer within your computer, and what's cool about it is you don't have to have any special software; it just connects by the web. And I'll do a separate video on how to actually use this thing. All right. So anyway, that's just a quick rundown of how the PLTW page is set up and a few things that you can do with it. All right. Talk to you later.